So all we'd have to do is activate the sector antenna.
Inhibitor container detected.
I'm at the transmitter. What's next?
Good. Good. Now throw the switch, and that's it.
It worked!
Great. And listen, been thinking. Radio New Hope is still an option, but it's your choice.
Juan gets what he wants, and gives me what I want. The way to find Mia. The truth about her.
Sometimes our choices are bigger than ourselves. Sometimes the things we do, they matter. I'm not gonna try to convince you. You got the transmitter working. It's your call.
I'm sorry, Frank. I have to find Mia. I appreciate your vision for the future, but I need to find this GRE doctor.
I see, Aiden. You've, made your choice. Over and out.
Now I just have to connect the bug to Jack's transmitter.
Ada?
Job's done, Matt. The antenna's working.
Good. I knew I could count on you. You did a great job, son. Row and the boys, their deaths, will not be in vain. Don't think I've forgotten, Aiden. I'll see you soon. As soon as the elevators are back online.
Juan, I did what you wanted.
You did the right thing. You chose common sense and empathy instead of fascist pipe dreams.
What about your part of the deal?
Don't think I've forgotten, Aiden. I'll contact you soon.
No, porque Frank. Bueno.
The Peacekeepers' mission is to serve the city and exterminate the infected. Tired of chaos? Do you believe in order? It's time for you to act. Join the Peacekeepers. The key to bringing order to the city might be you. Enlist today.
Ayudaba a Frank. Ah, carajo.
You made it!
Hey, it's good to see you too.
Don't ever fucking do that again.
Hey, where did that come from?
You owe me one. Soles of my sneakers nearly tore off trying to get to you.
I'm sorry.
Sorry. I thought I'd be scraping your guts off the fucking pavement, and you're sorry?
Juan, I don't believe it. You were actually worried.
Shut up! Like I said, you owe me. My sneakers are ruined. I can literally feel the concrete scraping my feet. We need to get me a new pair.
You want to go shopping for new sneakers now? Is this some kind of joke, or...?
Do I look like I'm joking?
Luan, you said... Ah, shit. Luan, it's not a sign of weakness to say you were worried. Can you at least tell me where we're going? Aren't a lot of shoe stores open in the area, I bet.
There's a place. Some of my old stuff might still be there.
I thought all your stuff was at the fisheye. But I guess that's not where we're going.
Just shut up and follow me.
Embarré. You're dead.
Sister, right? You did what you did. I just want to get my sneakers back.
Right. First things first. Back? Were they stolen? Luan, if you knew where your things were, why haven't you gone back to get them before now?
Me maté. No, espérense. ¿Cómo hago entonces? Otra vez, a ver.
Inhibitor container detected.
Inhibitor container detected. Inhibitor container nearby.
Ah, mire. Llegué, pero. ¿Llegué para dónde estoy?
See that opening? Apartment 216. Go look for a large red box with gold trim. That's where I stored my shoes.
Aren't you coming with me?
You're why my shoes are ruined. You get me new ones. Go inside, take the shoes, and leave. And don't touch anything else. Got it?
Hey, you got me suspicious, Lawan. What's going on?
Just go get him, would you? You climbed the fucking TV station tower. You can climb into an apartment.
It depends on what's in there. Fine.
206.
Chicken.
Inhibitor container nearby.
Ah, no tengo lockpicks.